are presenting dynamic sourcing optimization platform. Our hackathon theme is transforming retail supply chain. We built a dynamic sourcing optimization platform that helps Walmart respond quickly to these global shifts. Our prototype monitoring real-time data like tariff changes, geopolitical risks, and cost volatility. Based on this, it scores each supplier and recommends which supplier are now risky, where to shift supply volume. For example, if any country's tariff go up suddenly, the dashboard shows the high risk and suggests increasing supply from the countries, relevant countries. This is our dashboard where we can see the total suppliers, the countries including, and the average risk score of the suppliers. The risk score is calculated based on the tariff rates and the cost of the units. We can see here the risk distribution where it is distributed in three types: high risk, medium risk, and low risk suppliers. And we can see the risk trend by the month or the days. We can see the recent updates where the recent suppliers risk is shown. Now, going on suppliers panel, we can see the total suppliers and the risk score of each supplier with their cost unit, their country, their leading time, and their status, where we can see every supplier is active right now. We can filter out the supplier based on our requirement. We can recalculate the risks if we add the new supplier, like like uh, uh, we will get a country. We will add a cost per unit, let's say 8.9. The leading time of the supplier is say 19 days. Maximum volume of our supply is 2 lakh, and the current volume is, its disruption history is 25, and the tariff rate in percentage is 13%, let's say, and the quality rating is 7.9. We will add this supplier. Based on the country, it will automatically detect the risk of the country risk score. We can recalculate the risk so that it will give us a accurate risk score. It says in Mexico, the supplier PQR has 3.4 risk score. Now, going on optimization page, we can set the optimization parameters like target volume, maximum budget, maximum leading time, and the risk threshold. We can see the XYZ supplier is recommended by our model. It shows the total cost we are saving, the efficiency of the supplier, uh, and the risk level of the supplier. In risk analysis, we can see the high risk suppliers are zero. That means there's no supplier with more than 5 risk rate. There are medium risk rate suppliers 4 and low risk rate supplier are 10. Total countries included are 11. Here are the risk by country ratio or the graph, risk trend over time. Top risky suppliers are these. We can see the descending order, the risk score, the which countries are in top risk, where we can see the total cost unit of the countries has more value and leading time is also large. We can see cost efficiency by risk level based on all the suppliers and their risk score and the costs per unit and other things. We are calculating all the data and showing it on graphs. The leading time versus risk. It shows the which country has the most leading time, and the performance matrix we are showing average days required for average days for leading, and the average rating is 7.8. Total disruptions happened in 246, and which countries has a leading time less than 7 and 14. There are one country which has a less than 7 days leading time, and five countries which has more than 14 days leading time. Thank you.